All right, welcome back to Brian Mann's Totally Awesome Collection. Today we are unboxing a 1990 Fleer box, and I got four of these. I bought four of these boxes, and this is the worst. This is the worst one. The other three look pretty good, but I wanted to open this box today. It's got a little ding on the corner, and it is got one pack missing from it. And but this is what it looks like on the inside, and we're going to be on the Jordan hunt. We're going to be looking for Michael Jordan cards. We'll be looking for Magic Johnson cards and Hall of Fame cards. They got some pretty cool all-star sticker cards in them, and yeah, David Robinson. I think it's a rookie card of David Robinson, or it's like the first year David Robinson, his first Fleeter card. I think his rookie card might have been the year prior. But that one is a pretty in-demand card. Scottie Pippens, Dennis Rodman's. But the biggest one is going to be the Michael Jordan card. And yeah, so Larry Bird too. Also Larry Bird's. We'll be looking for Larry Bird's, and yeah, we'll see what we got. So these are wax packs from 1990. This is kind of when I started. I got into basketball in 1980 for the 1989 set, the hoops set. So this is early days for me as far as the basketball cards. So we got the old wax packs here, and hopefully there's been no tampering going on, because these cards are going up in value. So, but we'll see. Oh, there's a Magic Johnson right on front. The front card a lot of times has a little bit of damage to the corners, and this is it's not looking like a like a gem card, but it's centered pretty well. But the corners here is not that great. However, we are going to put the Magic Johnson card right there, and Glenn Rice. I think that is a rookie card, so we're actually going to pull that one out as well. And if there's any that's good enough to sleeve, put in a penny sleeve, I'll do so. Sean Kemp, that's a good card. That's Sean Kemp's rookie card. And I think what we'll do is maybe start a stack right there. And I do have my penny sleeves out and ready. So I am going to sleeve this Sean Kemp because it is a rookie. However, it's a little bit off center, top to bottom, and it does have something right there on the top edge of that card. But I am going to sleeve it. And I'm going to sleeve that Magic Johnson as well, because, Magic Johnson, Hall of Famer. All right, Mark West, Jack Sigma. I believe that's a Hall of Fame card right there. So, actually, I think what we can do with these cards, we'll put them up there. How's that? Get a little more room in here. Scottie Pippen. That's a good card. Larry Bird. Maurice Cheeks, Hall of Famer. So let's take a look at this Larry Bird card here. A little bit off center, left to right. Not terrible. But what I do like about this card, though, this Larry Bird card, is look who he's shooting over. That Magic Johnson there? Look at number 32, Magic Johnson. So Larry Bird shooting over Magic Johnson in that photo. So I thought that was a really cool photo. That's a great picture. Whoever took that for that set. Really cool, really cool photo there. So Larry Bird. I'd like to get one that's more centered than that one. However, and we're gonna be looking for some the blue All-Star card of the of Michael Jordan has really gone up in value a lot. Big time. Mitch Richmond. This might be Mitch Richmond rookie card here, Hall of Fame. I think it is a rookie card, Mitch Richmond. Karl Malone, Hall of Fame. Hopefully you guys can see these okay. Charles Barkley, Hall of Fame. Dennis Johnson. I want to say that he's in the Hall of Fame, I think. Patrick Ewing, I know who Patrick Ewing is. Joe Dumars, Hall of Fame. So the centering is notoriously, for this set, it's off center quite a bit on these cards, which is, if you can pull out a nice centered card, 60-40. When you send these into PSA, they want centered really well. But it can be off a little bit within the 60-40 percentage. So it can be off 10%. But there's Vlade Divac, rookie. Chris Mullin, Hall of Famer. John Stockton, Hall of Famer. Isaiah Thomas, Hall of Famer. James Worthy, Hall of Famer, I believe. I think James Worthy is in the Hall of Fame. You see the Scottie Pippen here. Not centered all that great on that Scottie. And the backs of these, the back card on these are giving you some wax residue. I don't know if you can see it in the video. Let me turn on this other light. Hold on. You really can't see it, but you can feel the wax residue on that back card. Every single pack. So you really don't want to get a really, really good card on the back. Or front, really. Fronts, a lot of times, you get damage. Kind of want the Jordans and, you know, everybody centered really well on these. Clyde Drexler, Hall of Fame. B.J. Armstrong, that is a rookie. He's not a Hall of Famer, but I think that's a rookie card. Now these are, you know, these packs are kind of risky. There's a Muggsy Bogues. We pull out the Muggsy Bogues, just kind of collect those, kind of collect him. These, you know, they're wax packs, so they're not, they weren't sealed. These boxes weren't sealed, so, you know, we're looking through Jordan. We're looking for the Jordan cards, and, you know, who knows? I mean, because it's been so long, people, if they really wanted to, I guess they could go through and pull out the good cards and replace it with a different pack. But, you know, hopefully that doesn't happen. Hopefully it didn't happen here. But there's Patrick Ewing, All-Star card. Pretty cool. Maybe we'll put the All-Star cards. Maybe we'll put the All-Star card right there. Charles Barkley. You know, the older these packs get, you know, the more value they have, you know. So that's kind of when you where I'm kind of taking a risk. I didn't spend a terrible amount on these, but you know, spent enough. Joe Dumars looks like the same pack here. Vladi Divac. Looks like they're in pretty decent condition, though. Again, I bought 4 of these boxes. Tim Hardaway. I think that's a rookie. Akeem Olajuwon. Off-centered pretty good on that Akeem. Later on, you know, after, well, these are from 1990, but they started later on down the line. They started to, you know, everybody started to seal the packs instead of having the wax packs. Kevin McHale. There's a Tom Chambers All-Star. We'll put the All-Star cards right there. Dennis Rodman. Off-center, but, you know, Dennis Rodman. Dennis Rodman again. Now this one I can see a factory line. Right there, you can see it in the reflection right here, going all the way through that card. That's the only card I've seen that factory line in, but look at that, 2 Dennis Rodmans back to back there. Oh, there's a factory line right there too on that one. All right, got through 1 stack. No Jordans yet. If I don't get a Jordan in this box, I'll know that something's kind of fishy. Guess we'll see, though. Moses Malone. Reggie Miller. That Reggie Miller's looking pretty good. Centered pretty well. It's got nice corners in the centering. So I'm going to go ahead and sleeve that Reggie Miller. Yeah, looking pretty good on that Reggie. If it's a Hall of Famer and it's looking real good as far as the centering and everything, and the corners, I sleeve them. I mean, it might be a little off left to right, but I mean, I think that falls within the range there. So I'll put that one up there. The range of what we're looking for. I think that's a rookie card, Hall of Fame, I believe. I could be missing people. If I'm missing someone, let me know. That one's pretty whacked out wrap there. There's a Sean Kemp on the back. I don't feel too much wax, though, on the back. But, Sean Kemp. Rookie card. You got a Karl Malone. Hall of Fame card. Irvin Johnson. Looking pretty good on that Magic there. Let's see. Here's what we got. Here's the corners. Maybe that bottom left corner. I'm zoomed in pretty good. Helps me to see it. It is looking pretty good though. So I'm going to go ahead and sleeve that card. So there's a Magic Johnson. We'll put that one right there. Glenn Rice, rookie. Not in the Hall of Fame, but he's a rookie in that set, or this year. Also went to Michigan. That's how I know. Michigan Wolverine. Bernard King, Hall of Fame. Chris Mullin. John Stockton, Hall of Fame. Isaiah Thomas, Hall of Fame. Card is looking pretty good. Maybe OC a little bit left to right. And James Worthy. Where's the Jordans here? Bill Lambier. Michael Jordan, right there. That's what we're looking for. This is the one we're looking for. And it's got some damage to it. It's got a couple lines. I don't know if it's necessarily damage. It's just some lines in it. It's not centered all that great. But you can see the lines in it right there. Some factory lines. That was really noticeable right off the bat. Here's the corners. But that's the card we're looking for right there. What a great shot, you know, him dunking with his tongue hanging out right there. This card is in demand. Really cool card. I don't know if it's in demand, but it's a cool card. It's a cool card. Let's just say that. It's a cool card. Cool Michael Jordan card. I'm going to go ahead and sleeve it. That Magic Johnson's in better condition there than that Michael Jordan. David Robinson. We're looking for a David Robinson. A little bit off center, top to bottom. A little off center, left to right. But we're going to go ahead and sleeve it anyways. David Robinson's first Fleer card here. And then we'll put that Jordan right there. We'll start a stack for the Jordans. Hopefully we get a couple. I'm looking for the All-Star too. All-Star Jordan, that's the one I'm after. John Stockton, and then we got 3 of those now. Isaiah Thomas. James Worthy. Oh, look at, we got Jordan on the back. Got a Jordan on the back with some wax. Jordan's got some wax. We're going to go ahead and take that card out and look at it. Same issue. Same thing. It's like the same card. It's like the same card. Same centering. Same line, too. Look at got the lines in it right here. Got a couple lines in there. I'm going to go ahead and sleeve it anyways. So that's the second Jordan card. Dominique Wilkins, Hall of Famer. Looks like a pretty good looking Dominique Wilkins card. We got an All-Star card here. Who is it? Hopefully it's a Jordan. Robert Parrish is a Hall of Famer. Charles Barkley. But the Charles Barkley card is looking pretty good. Looking pretty good on the Charles Barkley card. Another Tyrone Muggsy Bogues. Wait. Did I miss a card in here? No. A lot of these are having this factory line right there too. This one has it. You can see it with the glare. Mitch Richmond. That's a rookie card, I think. It has a factory line in that one too. You can see it real good. Other than that, that centering is like perfect on that Mitch Richmond. Hall of Fame rookie card. Maybe, I think that's his. Maybe it's not his rookie card. I'm not sure. Maybe he was a rookie in '89. Dominique Wilkins. Robert Parrish. All right, looks like we have an All-Star card here. Michael Jordan. We got a Michael Jordan here. 90s All-Star card. It's going to have, it's going to have that wax on the back. Man, bummer. Bummer. So, there's what it looks like. Maybe I'll have to try to clean off that wax somehow. A little bit off center there. You can see by the left and right side of the hoop. That's how I believe you determine the centering on these. But it's a Jordan card. Put that Jordan card right there if I can get it. Yeah, right there. Another Muggsy Bogues. All right. No Hall of Famers in those last two packs. Larry Bird. Got a Larry Bird here. And this one, well, let's take a look here. It looks pretty good. Maybe off center a little bit left to right, a tad. Now that one might fall within the acceptable range for grading as far as if I was going to send it in. But I am going to sleeve that. We like the Larry Bird cards. Shooting over Magic Johnson. Pretty cool card there. Magic Johnson, Larry Bird. Cool card. Maurice Cheeks. Clyde Drexler. BJ Armstrong. I'm not sure if that's a rookie or not. That's a rookie. It might be a rookie card. I'll have to check. I'll have to check on that one. But if it is, that one's looking pretty good centering. There's another All-Star card in here. Karl Malone. Jack Sikma. Scottie Pippen. And Isaiah Thomas. But Isaiah Thomas is looking pretty good on that Isaiah. I'm going to go ahead and sleeve that card. I'm not sure if this is a... I was thinking that maybe this was a sticker, these All-Stars, but I guess not. I don't know. It doesn't say like peel or anything. Not that I see. Reggie Miller. All right, we need to pull one more Jordan out of here at least. Try to at least. There's a Dennis Rodman card. Oh, look at that. Pack damager. Hopefully it's no card damage. Kevin McHale is on the back there with some wax. Tim Hardaway. Maybe Tim Hardaway's a rookie in this one. Maybe. Keem Olajuwon off-centered. Did I only get one David Robinson so far? There's David Robinson. Off-centered on that Robinson. Bummer. I'll sleeve it anyways. A little bit off-centered too much on that one. But pack fresh, I'll sleeve it. Bernard King. Chris Mullin, Hall of Fame. Centered pretty good, but I do feel the wax on the back there. Charles Barkley. That Joe Dumars is looking centered pretty good. Vlade Divac, rookie. Oh, All-Star on the front. Clyde Drexler. We got Clyde yet? I don't think I got Clyde yet. Boy, that one's centered pretty good. That Clyde looks like it. Boy, it's looking pretty good. Looking like a good card there. Come on. There we go. Clyde Drexler. All-Star card. Larry Bird. Looking pretty good. Looking pretty good on that Larry Bird card. Maybe a little off-center left to right again. I think they're all pretty much cut the same. Every Bird card is like the same. It seems like. Clyde Drexler. BJ Armstrong again. Down to 2 packs. I see an All-Star card in here. Scottie Pippen. Clyde Drexler again. Hakeem Olajuwon. 2 All-Stars in the same pack. Nice. 3 All-Stars in the same pack. And it's a David Robinson. Dennis Rodman. Boy, that was a great pack there. I'm going to sleeve up that David Robinson there. A little bit off-centered, but other than that, looking pretty good. Down to the last pack here, guys. 34 minutes in. See what we get. Mitch Richmond. Karl Malone. All right, so here's what we get with the box. You buy a box of cards, you get, well, I got 2 Jordans. So, let me see. Now, I didn't sleeve up all these All-Star cards, but 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 All-Star cards. Sean Kemp, Larry Bird, David Robinson, Larry Bird, David Robinson, Larry Bird, Irvin Johnson, Michael Jordan, and Michael Jordan. So that's what we got out of that box. So, thank you for joining me. That was cool to do that. I haven't opened these cards since I was a kid opening them, and what a fun time. But I am going to be opening some more boxes of these. We'll be looking for some Jordans and all the same cards. But give a thumbs up if you like the video, and hit the subscribe button if you want to see more box openings and some more cool stuff. So this is Brian Mann's Totally Awesome Collection. We are out.